Yeah, they're just standing completely fucking still. They're oblivious.
Nope. See,
This
is why you need 2 shotguns, bro. So when one doesn't work out.
What the fuck? This nigga double popping? Fortnite?
Literally.
Sorry.
It's fucking shotgun.
Look at it.
Damn! What kind of shotgun is that? I don't know. He got like a fucking toy shotgun.
Oh, he's in my ass.
Nah, I was inside, it ran out.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was in the bush.
Another Pixar shotgun. A double shotgun. This is wicked.
That's great style.
Yeah, that was fucking deadly, bro. There's blood on.
It's confusing.
Alright.
Gnarly focus movement out.
Dude. Honestly,
Why you lie? You just need to fucking quit. Leave the.
You did. So good.
where did that just spectate, guys? You guys want to talk about it?
Like, what the fuck?
You No?
25 seconds. Oh, he's right there.
What the fuck?
Wow.
Good shit.
Nice, right? There's a little cross member there.
To react, I had my fucking sniper out.
What the fuck kind of Quake ass gun is that? Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Okay, damn, oh what?
It's the Doom shotgun.
That nigga's a criminal. 2 shotguns. 2 shotguns?
Nigga, you
Fucking round 1, we're dropping a hard R's.
Look.
God damn.
Flying, holy shit.
Dude, what fucking gun
I
is
hope you
that?
didn't touch that.
That's the gnarly.
I already did.
There you go. You got lucky as fuck.
Hey.
Hello, Bozo.
Standing by.
That was fucking stupid of me. I tried to break that glass before somebody pre-fired, but
There's no way, bro.
He said there's no way, bro.
That was him.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh my god. What? Is he using a musket?
Indeed.
Barrage, you know, they call an artillery at the fucking beginning of each round. For some reason, I think that's an okay thing to be just a standard weapon.
What?
Holy shit.
The fucking gnarly.
I need my
I got a really good attempt, to be honest.
Kid got fucking sniped.
You didn't need to switch to the second.
Yeah, you could just fucking assassinate him. I'd have been happier with that.
Sorry.
That's why these two better than 2
I
shotguns.
tried avoid dying, but
Oh no!
every time it's like, no, not helping.
Gnarly, you don't have to do me like
Bye bye.
That was you.
Bad time is worse than my life.
That hurt. I got it. I out from window
2 shot boys running double shotguns, no shot. Let's go.
Yay! Fat hit marker.
Bop.
Oh my god, there's a fucking another one.
Shotguns?
That one over here.
Oh my gosh. Guy got shat on.
Stop it, you're hurting me. Dude, you fucking pussy. Did you kill that guy?
Yes. Yo, you
Damn.
oh.
God damn.
Respawn. Correct.
Oh, well, fucking shotgun a bit.
Coming towards B right now.
Yes, he is.
I think you waste every fucking clip. In
That man
fucking
rage
thing.
quit. Uh-huh.
That's it.
Oh!
Oh my
No
god, you're
fucking
shot.
He said no fucking shot.
Oh my god. They nerfed that.
Yeah.
Two shotguns is a whole move.
Right?
That's crazy.
Double shotty.
It's coming into the right doorway. Damn. Shit, not him with shotguns.
Look, I got two 680s. Look at this one, and I got this one.
What the fuck?
Oh man. Yeah, I'm all on standby.
No way! No way!
I'm better.
Go.
I'm better.
Simply better. Damn, dude.
That's right, two shotguns.
That's
Hey,
right.
Dolly.
Two shotguns.
Get out of here with your fucking two shotguns.
I only used one this time.
Oh yeah, you did.
We should all use shotguns.
Oh my god.
Get two fucking shotguns, so you're a menace.
Nice. GG, guys.
That was easy.
That was such a bad kill. That was bad kill.
I barely saw you go up the stairs, Dutchy. I was like, oh, he's behind me.
Bro, ooh, that
Oh,
shit
no.
was suspect. You gotta rub him up on the thing and
GG's, guys.
right around the
Bro, I am streaming live right now. You can see for sure.